Hi guys, Magadi, this is Brighton from Unboxing Zim. So today, as festive season is approaching, we decided to unbox a selfie printer from Canon, which may be something that will come in handy during this festive season to keep our sweet holiday memories. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So this is all we got. We got the dust covers, the paper trays, the power pack, the power cable, the head cleaner, and the printer, which is the Canon SELPHY CP1000. Okay, so this is the printer. These are the control buttons, SD slot, the micro drive slot, the USB slot, the cartridge or toner slot, the output tray, and you can also put an external battery if you don't want to use power. This is where you put the battery. Then we got our mini display. Okay, so let's mount everything: the paper tray and the dust cover. These ones, they go in front. You have to open the receiving tray. Then the dust cover goes up. Then at the end of the back, you put the other tray. It's not an easy thing it's not so hard to mount, but if you're finding it difficult, the box comes with a manual. You can just follow step by step, which is in the manual. This is how the printer looks like. Now the printer is ready. What's left is the cartridges and the power. So the bad thing that I've discovered about what comes in the box is that it doesn't come with cartridges and it doesn't come with printer paper. So what we are using, we got the Canon 4x6 photo paper. It comes with 108 sheets and 3 ink cartridges that you can use. So we got our 4x6 photo paper, and we got our 3 toner cartridges. Okay, so let's insert one of the cartridges into the printer. Okay, so let's put in our paper. So to put in paper, you have to remove the loading tray. Make sure it's tightly closed and make sure not to touch on the paper surface. Then you plug it back. After that, we power it up. There you go. So today we'll print from a flash stick. That means we have to use the USB port right on the side, yeah? So this is my flash, and automatically as you put the flash stick in, it will automatically come on the display panel there. So there we go. Give it a moment to load. And your photos shouldn't be in folders, they should be just single. There you go. It gives you options to change the brightness, it gives you options to crop and to edit before you print. So let's go ahead and print this image. So as you can see, it prints in stages, every color, so it will move 3 or 4 times, picking which color it will be printing on. There you go. That's our final print. Okay, so as portable as it is, the printer is nice. The print quality itself is okay, depending on the paper that you'll be using. the thing that I didn't like most is most printers, if you buy it, it comes with starter cartridges, starter toners, and this one doesn't have. So that means you have to get extra money to buy the extra toners and starter printer papers. So this is the part that I love. We're giving back. You guys have been supportive to us. You guys have been with us, and we love you all. So this is what we're gonna do. Come end of this month, we're going to give away a phone, an OLED phone, and an HP printer. Go. So come October the 7th, we're going to have a raffle draw for our subscribers. It's as simple. Whoever's name is picked wins a printer and HP 1112. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel if you haven't, but if you have, fingers crossed, your name might be picked. And the second one goes to the person with the most likes on a video share. All you have to do is to share a video from our page and get more people and most people to like it or share it. Then you stand a chance to win an OLED phone Apex model from our shop. Until next time, this is Brighton from Unboxing Zim. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.